throughout the quarantine time, I actually made this bar out of 3 pallets from Facebook Marketplace. So we're going to jump back to about 3 months ago when this all started. Welcome to or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you smash the subscribe button and of course hit the like button for this video. And here's a little message for the returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back. It means a lot. Film the process a little bit. So we ripped the decking up and thought we'd try and do it with pallets. Got a big task ahead. It is several days later. Shoes are wet. They're wet? Yeah, they're wet. Several days later, this is the progress. So the plan is, put these 2 bits of grass down, use a load of this dirt to level out this bit, because we just sort of like laid this bit down. Deliveries, monitor arm and a keyboard and a mouse. Power. Ooh, included HDMI cable. That's always good. Oh my god, that looks well wide. Bloody hell. Jeez. Oh god. Jeez. Oh, that is clean. That is decent. So super wide screen. That's going to be nice to edit on. Really nice to edit on. That is going to be. Boom. So we've got the monitor up. The only thing I need to do is change this side where the wires come through, because if I want it that way, then the wires look a little bit stupid. Damn, son. Single Logitech. We got the Logitech. Okay. We're gonna start on the whiteboard again.
Yo, what's going on, people? That's what you do.
Literally talking to the camera.
Whoa, that is bright.
I need you as a little tester.
Absolutely. I'll be your model. Am I being recorded now?
No.
Oh.
Do you want to be recorded?
No,
now?
but that would be so much fun.
Oh, you are. Making it into a vlog, baby.
Welcome back. The star of the show has arrived. Got a very, very bright light on the face. My diamonds shine like a star, and that's why I do keep reflexive. I don't really know what this does. This is like, you know when you get them things, them fish cut out of plastic paper, and they curl on your hand and they tell you your fate. This is the one, I think.
What, the angle?
Yeah, it's great.
Can you see that burning? I think that's literally what it, like, you can do with them. Oh, that's the one though. That, you can see that lighting. That lighting is.
Can you sit here and I look?
So this was just a little DIY project, so the way that I built this is pretty simple. Firstly, I just cleared everything that was in this space, and honestly this little space to the right of the like patio sort of bit in the garden was a very big wasted space, but it didn't seem big until I started clearing everything, and you can see there was like little plants and stuff that actually had to be dug out first. So firstly I dug everything out and obviously started placing the pallets where I wanted them to go, and please know that this wasn't some like big build, and you know, if you're doing something like this you probably want to put like a concrete base and stuff, but for me obviously I was just doing it as like a little project, and I basically just dug like a trench, put the pallets down, cut them to size, and obviously just basically drilled them together. So where did I get the pallets? I got the pallets from Facebook Marketplace, and I'm actually going to cut to a little screen recording of me showing you how you can get pallets for free. Yes guys, what is going on?
Yo, what's going on, people?
So I've actually caught the sun from being out in the garden so much during quarantine, but obviously I wanted to show you how I got the materials for this. Obviously it's nothing special, it's pallets. Like a lot of people give pallets away for free. I'm actually currently building a shed out of pallets in my garden. It's going to obviously be a long process, but obviously we started the process, so definitely expect another video around me creating a shed using pallets. But yeah, obviously if you want to get some pallets, literally just come onto Facebook and click on Marketplace, and basically, like, Facebook has an algorithm, as a lot of, and you can see straight away. So Facebook obviously has like its own algorithm. So with any social platform that you pretty much use, once you start searching for certain things, you're obviously then going to be suggested certain things based on what you've searched in the past, right? So you can see straight away one of my top picks is 2 free pallets, and it is in Sickup, which is where I'm from. So straight away, like, I've found 2 free pallets in Sickup, and very simply you can just click onto there and then click, is this available? And you can see, I feel like I'm a bit of a pallet geek now, that I just want to, yeah, so you can just click, is it available? She's in Sickup, which is great because that's only around the corner from me. And you can sort of make out from the pictures. I can see on the right hand side, God, I feel like such a weirdo. I can see on the right hand side that this is like a really sturdy pallet. This is, there's a like evil looking cat in the middle as well. I don't like cats. Yeah, so you can see on the right hand side it's a really sturdy pallet, so that would be like an ideal pallet, and the one on the left you could obviously use for other smaller things and like cutouts of stuff that you need to do. But yeah, nice and simply, you can see that my feed is basically filled with pallets, because that's obviously what I've basically been using Facebook Marketplace for. You can also see like timber on here and stuff like that, so you'd be able to get a load of materials. But of course, obviously, free pallets, you could just type that in and you're going to start seeing loads of stuff coming up. So here you've got approximately 40 pallets. So 40 pallets, that would make a whole shed. Go down, you got 15 pallets. So a lot of them might have like some monetary value attached to them, as in, you know, you can see some people are selling them for £15 and stuff like that. At the end of the day, don't go on here and expect to find like loads of free stuff, but obviously you can see that you have got free ones here and there. And I suppose I just got lucky, but honestly, so many people throw away pallets. Like, there's literally, like, on my road, there's like loads of pallets outside people's houses where people have obviously been having work done to their houses and stuff throughout the quarantine time. But anyway, we're going to get back to me finishing the bar, and at the end of the video, it's a pretty short video anyway, but at the end of the video I'm going to show you what the bar now looks like in the evenings. The bar is not finished, but I obviously want to make this video, and I'll do like an update video for you guys at a later date. So back to me making it.
To fully explain all of this, we're gonna have to go outside. Bloody hell.
Okay, so after a lot of work being put into the garden and the tiles, took ages, we had to get some more tiles and stuff, built the bar, of course. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I know this is a bit of a different video from me, but I still love making this type of content. I love documenting my life and little things that I do, and I was quite impressed with what I managed to achieve. You can now see a picture of it in the evening with the lights. It looks wicked. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.
Hollywood 6.